Welcome to our math lesson about integration with substitution, also known as U-sub. So in this presentation, we're going to go over the introduction and explanation of what integration with substitution is, and then at the end, we will provide practice problems with answer key. So the introduction, when dealing with integrals, one must often find the antiderivative. Sometimes finding the antiderivative can be too complicated and can waste too much time. This is where the use of U substitution comes into play. What is U substitution? U substitution is essentially the reverse of the chain rule for derivatives. In simpler terms, it is an efficient and quick method that allows us to integrate composite and complex functions. So the features of the topic is, of course, there's the integral equation and the use of n differentiation of the u, and then after that we substitute u back in to find the integral.
Okay, so the process of doing U substitution is a 6-step process. And I'll go step by step. So step 1 is you should find your U, and your U should be able to differentiate. Your step 2 is you have to differentiate your U with respect to x. As you can see, x cubed plus x squared. Once you differentiate that, it becomes 3x squared plus 2x. Step 3 would be create the correct differential form with du on one side, as you can see there. Step 4 is you should find your u, and step 4 is you should rewrite the indefinite integral by substituting du and u. Step 5 is you take the antiderivative of the simplified integral in terms of u, and be sure to remember the plus c at the end because this is an indefinite integral. Step 6 is substitute the u back into the antiderivative, and you're done. Okay, so did you know, sometimes we need to multiply/divide the integral by a constant. After multiplying or dividing, we need to cancel by multiplying the reciprocal on the outside of the integral. Note, you can only multiply or divide constants and not variables.
After using U substitution, you can just apply basic antiderivative properties as listed below. And of course, U sub is used for indefinite integrals, so you have to remember to add c at the end. And here are our 4 example problems. You can pause the video if you want to solve them. And here are the answers for the problem. Thank you.
We will also attach the picture and the answers to our website itself. Thank you.
Thank you.